Hey guys, so today I will show you the absolute best MrBeast thumbnail style prompt that you can write in ChatGPT or in Zora. So here you can see this is one of my basically thumbnails that I made with this prompt. Lower here is another one. Here is another one, which is basically called I drove off a cliff with a bike. And here is I boxed a Mike Tyson. He beat me up bad. So here is the thumbnail. So what you want to do, and the prompt is in the description below. You will want to paste basically the prompt. And here you can see the prompt. It is really weird. I didn't make up this prompt myself. I found it in the trenches deep on the internet. So you basically want to copy and paste this prompt, and you want to change this title, which is, for example, let's create a new title. I dropped in endless cave. Additional information. So, for example, cave has spikes in it. One more thing I didn't mention you to do is you have to add your own image if you want to create an image with your own face in it. So I will basically upload my my face. And yeah, let's create the image, which is called I dropped in an endless cave. And the cave has spikes in it. So let's create the image. And again, ChatGPT will take around 1 to 3 minutes. I'm using ChatGPT 03. You can use the GPT-4o, doesn't make any difference. I think the 03 is thinking more. Maybe it is better, but this is only $20 a month, and you can use ChatGPT 03, which is the newest version. You can use Zora. This is the creation that I made on Zora with the same prompt and my image. And Zora is a really insane tool. You can basically scroll images, you can click on it, and you can see basically what prompts were used to create these images. So check out Zora. So let's see. The image is getting started. It will take a few seconds. So here you can see the image is being rendered right now. So it will take a few seconds, and here you can see the cave is being created. I should have wrote pit, not cave, but doesn't matter. Here we will see what the ChatGPT came up with. So that's a cave that I'm falling in. I meant pit, but still it will look quite insane. As you can see, the face is like 60-70% close, maybe even 80%. And yeah, let's see. Here are the spikes. And the best thing about this prompt is that the backgrounds that it creates is insane. The lighting is insane. Here you can see the highlights. Really great. And if you are using this for a YouTube thumbnail, it will most definitely take attention. It will get much attention. And here you can see I am basically falling into a cave, into a pit. And this is looking really insane. You can also tweak it a little bit. If I was doing these tweaks, I would most definitely just copy paste the same thing and add the tweaks in this text in the beginning, because if I just tweak it and write it here, the picture will not be as good as this one. And you can write anything you want. So let's write, for example, copy paste the same prompt, and we are creating another image. This time I ate the biggest Neapolitan pizza in Italy. Another MrBeast style image. So yeah, this is the best prompt that I have found on the internet that will make you the best MrBeast style looking, attention grabbing images for YouTube thumbnails or anything else you want. The best part is that soon ChatGPT and all the other AIs will be so realistic that you will be able to just upload your own face and it will do one-on-one perfect job. So I'm just here to provide the best tools, the best information, and this is really useful. And as soon as ChatGPT gets one-on-one with your own face, this tool will be unstoppable. Really sad times for basically designers, graphic designers, or YouTube thumbnail creators, or anything else. This AI stuff is getting crazy. And here you can see the image is being rendered in real time as I am making this video. So let's see how it makes my face. The title was I ate the biggest Napoli pizza in Italy. And it is Napoli city in the background. So here are the mountains. I don't remember the name, but next to Napoli there are the big mountains, or I think the volcano, something like that. So here is the Napoli houses, the Napoli city. And let's see how good will be the pizza. My face is like 80% mine, 85, 90%, basically looking like me, which is insane. And a pizza, real Napoli style pizza. So it is not big enough. I should have written something bigger, but still great thumbnail. And yeah, really insane. And if you want to use this prompt for your videos, the prompt is in the description below. Use it as you wish. You can change your resolution as well. You can edit all of these things as well. I just think it is quite perfect as it is. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.